Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So I've got something new to show you. Now I've seen this tool on eBay or on the Alibaba and places like that, and it says Mercedes tool, and I could never quite work out what it did or how it did it. It just said a Mercedes ignition tool. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate this tool so you can see it and you can see whether or not you need it. So with the front of your ignition on a Mercedes, it looks like this. Sometimes they have a button on the front, but most of the time it looks like this. And the way this tool works is it goes in like this, twist it around until it finds a spot, and then you can undo it. You can undo this part on the front. That's what this tool does. Here's the inside of it. This goes in like this and goes like that. It's not a necessary tool, but for the $25–30 that it is, it's worth having. You can also put like a screwdriver through here if you have one that's really quite tight. Stops you from breaking the plastic and allows you to get it off nice and easily. So that is the Mercedes ignition tool or ignition remover. Most of the time I've seen it and I see the picture and I can't gauge the size or anything of what it would do, but now we know exactly what it does. Leave your comments down below and your thoughts. Your thoughts and your comments down below if you use one of these or not. One more reason you might want to get one of these for your locksmith van, even if you don't do Mercedes, is because this type of Mercedes ignition here can actually be done. If you can go to the car, to your customer's car, remove it using this tool, take this box out, send it into us, we can actually set you up with another couple of keys, you bolt it back in, and you're good to go. So that's another reason why this $30 tool, although you might not be doing Mercedes as a car that you offer in your service, if you had this tool, it's as simple as removing the box, sending it to us, we send it back to you, and you've then made a sale, and all you needed was this little tool. Okay, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.